To utilize TrueBlue Points, start by accessing jetblue.com through a web browser. Once there, select the option to use TrueBlue Points by checking the corresponding box. Next, use the drop-down menus in the flight search section to specify the number and age of passengers, as well as the type of trip. Then, fill in the remaining flight details, including the starting point, destination, departure date, and return date, although, for one-way trips, the return date field will not be displayed. After entering this information, click the Search Flights button to find compatible flights, which will be listed along with their corresponding TrueBlue Point expenses. To complete a full redemption, simply click on the desired flight and follow the on-screen instructions. For partial redemptions, which require more than 500 TrueBlue points, click on the Cash Plus Point slider that appears after compatible flights have been displayed. This process allows for easy redemption of TrueBlue points, making it a straightforward procedure.